You're watching Hot Walk Academy. My name is Mingjin Tong. I want to help you master your kitchen. Today we are making a very simple, delicious, one of my favorites, watercress stir fry with garlic. Let's cook. Okay, quick rundown of ingredients, very easy. I've got here coarse kosher salt, I've got fresh garlic, vegetable oil for frying. Many of you don't like vegetable oil, that is okay. You can also substitute with avocado oil or any neutral flavor, high temp oil is fine. And then of course, the star of the show is our watercress. Now, watercress, you can see I've actually got it soaking in water, and watercress is a very delicious, kind of a spicy flavor. If you were to eat a leaf just by itself, super good. Little nutty, a little bit spicy, and this vegetable is really, really great for stir fry. So what you want to do, make sure it's clean. I've got it soaking, and usually it comes rubber banded together. Let me go ahead and just remove that rubber band here and open that up. And this plant, you can actually harvest it. Now, when I was a kid, we went and harvested this on the side of the road in Albuquerque. You might find it growing wild where you are. Not necessarily recommended, get it from the grocery store, but this is watercress right here, and you can eat the whole thing. There's no part we're throwing away. So I am gonna just go ahead and chop it, but the chopping is just to make it the size that you can kind of eat very easily, fit it in your mouth. Let's just do one bunch for now. For our garlic, very easy. Let's just do a couple cloves. What I wanna do is just take my knife and give it a gentle pat. That's gonna break the garlic, and I wanna go ahead and remove all that paper. Same one over here, and we're pretty much ready to go. So let's do some oil in our wok. About that much. What we're gonna do now is bring our oil to temp, not too hot. You don't wanna burn your garlic. And let's go ahead and get the garlic in. Spread it out a little bit here. I want my garlic to start 爆香, which means letting the aroma come out of the garlic. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, it already smells amazing. Just let the garlic brown a little bit. Give that just a second. Not too hot here of fire. Okay, what we're doing at this stage is we are heating the oil and we are flavoring the oil with the garlic, with that garlic flavor. So yeah, that's looking really good. And this vegetable doesn't take very long to cook at all. So let's go ahead and we'll add our stems first. And then our leaves. And let's turn the fire all the way up. And let's go ahead and give that a nice mix. Very, very simple, delicious, delicious vegetable here. Get the garlic off the bottom so it doesn't burn. Let's add a little bit of salt to that. Just a pinch. You don't want the salt to steal the show. This is not a salty dish. This is a very fresh vegetable dish. And remember, you can eat watercress raw, which means you only want to cook it to get the leaves to wilt. You can also maybe let the stem wilt a little bit, but in about a minute, you'll be done. Got a super long piece there. Let me chop that up. There you go. Okay. Believe it or not, you're already finished with your stir fry. So let's go ahead and click that fire off. And let's go ahead and plate that. This goes fantastic with just steamed white rice. Usually when you're having a traditional Chinese meal, you'll make about 3 or 4 of these different dishes to go. And kind of like spinach, it kind of shrivels down pretty small. But that's all. That is your stir-fried watercress with fresh garlic, a little bit of salt. Let us know what you think. You can see the the moisture here coming out. I'll kind of hold it still. Try it at home. Share with a friend. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.